Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is Unit 3 Dreams of Class 10th English book. This is a poem by Langston Hughes. Now, Langston Hughes was born on February 1st, 1902 in Joplin, Missouri. Hughes published his first book in 1926. He went on to write countless works of poetry, prose, and plays, as well as a popular column for the Chicago Defender. He died on May 22nd, 1967. Now, after reading the lesson, the students will be able to read the poem and give orally and in writing theme and its development, personal response with justification. What we have to do is paraphrase and summarize it. Now, before we go on to read the poem, I'll summarize this poem in it. What is basically the theme of the poem? The theme of the poem Dreams is the importance of holding onto your dreams and ideals in life. Dreams are essential for dynamic and optimistic life, and life without ambitions is hopeless. Dreams are a very important part for being hopeful and optimistic. Life without dreams is hollow and bleak. Dreams make us hope, they give us pleasure and satisfaction in life. Dreams enable us to obtain success, power, or riches. The only purpose in a man's life is to fulfill his dreams. Now, this poem, Dreams by Langston Hughes, encourages readers to hold fast to their desires and goals, because without them, life is bleak and without hope. In Dreams, Hughes employs the use of a metaphor more than once when he compares life to a broken winged bird and a barren and frozen field. Now, when you compare things in a poetry, then you're using metaphors. Now, why are dreams important? We must understand that when you think of dreams, now text of this poem Dreams is, hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die. Now, in the first line of the poem, the poet is telling us, hold fast, keep a strong hold on the dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. Hold fast to dreams, for when dreams go, life is a barren field frozen with snow. Now, it is a very brief poem. Let's read it again. Hold fast to dreams, hold on to your dreams strongly, for if dreams die, because if dreams do not live, life is a broken winged bird. Life is like a bird whose wings are broken, and when birds cannot fly, their life ends. Hold fast to dreams, hold on to your dreams strongly, for when dreams go, when dreams are not fulfilled, life is a barren field. What is a barren field? Where there is no water, there is no growth, and nothing improves, frozen with snow. In snow, plants do not grow, and that is a situation of a person who does not dream and who does not do any effort to fulfill his or her dreams. This is a 2-stanza poem and 8 lines long, but it offers some basic instructions to those who read it. Keep hold of your dreams. Now, the poet over here is basically encouraging us to see dreams and then make efforts to fulfill them. Because if you do not hold on to your dreams, the world can be brutal world. Let's analyze the poem now in another way. Let's read it. Hughes starts out by immediately admonishing readers with a simple piece of advice. Hold fast to your dreams. He's literally saying it in a very strict manner. Hold fast to your dreams. These aren't the types of dreams you have at night while you're fast asleep, but rather the dreams of your future. These are your plans, your ambitions, the things you hope for, or the goals you want to achieve. All that you want to attain in life are your dreams. You do not have to just close your eyes and go to sleep and these dreams will come. No, these are the ambitions that you have. The author continues by telling us what will happen if we allow our dreams to die. Life overall, he says, is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. That's pretty dire imagery, isn't it? Essentially, the author is saying that dreams help to give our life purpose and meaning, and without them, life is harsh and difficult. In the second stanza, Hughes again urges readers to hold fast to their dreams. In this instance, the author compares the loss of a dream to living in a cold and barren field. Have you ever been out in a cold and barren field? There is no life, no joy, and nothing grows. Now let's analyze the poem further. Langston Hughes uses a few techniques aside from the language he has chosen to help drive home the importance of his message. First, the brevity of the poem. The poem is very small, very short. itself tells us, the brevity, the smallness, the shortness of the poem tells us that Hughes feels a sense of urgency when relating this message. He quickly wants to relate this message to you. He has chosen his words carefully and deliberately to help the reader understand the importance of having dreams and holding on tight to them. Now, Langston Hughes' dream activity. For this activity, what we have to do is, title of the poem is, why is it called Dreams? Now, let's translate the poem. Hold fast to your dreams. अपने ख्वाबों को मजबूती से पकड़ें, उनसे चिमटे रहें अगर आप कामयाब होना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि अगर ख्वाब मर जाते हैं तो ज़िंदगी फिर एक टूटे परों वाला परिंदा बन जाती है जो उड़ नहीं सकता। ख्वाबों के साथ चिमटे रहो। शायर आपको ये बता रहा है कि अपने ख्वाबों के साथ चिमटे रहो, क्योंकि अगर ख्वाब चले जाएं तो ऐसी ज़िंदगी एक बंजर ज़मीन बन जाती है जो बर्फ़ से मुंजमद होती है और वहाँ पर कुछ ग्रो नहीं करता, कुछ उगता नहीं है, आपको कुछ मिलता नहीं है, आप कामयाब नहीं होते। अब हम लफ्ज़ ब लफ्ज़ इसकी स्टैंजा एक्सप्लेनेशन करते हैं, उसको भी समझिए। दीज लाइन्स हैव बीन टेकन फ्रॉम द पोएम। अब पोएम का नाम है ड्रीम्स। किसने लिखी है? पोइट कौन है? लैंगस्टन ह्यूज़। द पोइट सेज दैट ड्रीम्स प्ले एन इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल इन वंस लाइफ। अब सबसे ज़्यादा एम्फोसाइज इस बात पर पोइट कर रहा है बार बार, वो ये कह रहा है कि जो आपके ख्वाब हैं, जो आपका तरक्की का एक एम्बिशन है, जो आप अपने आप से तवक्को रखते हैं, जिस कामयाबी की सीढ़ी पे आप चढ़ना चाहते हैं, द पोएट सेज दैट ड्रीम्स प्ले एन इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल इन वंस लाइफ। सो होल्ड फास्ट टू योर ड्रीम्स। किसी भी ख्वाब को पूरा करने के लिए या एम्बिशन को पूरा करने के लिए आपको होल्ड ऑन करना पड़ता है, उस रास्ते पे चलना पड़ता है। एंड मेक योर लाइफ मीनिंगफुल। इफ़ ड्रीम्स डाई, लाइफ बिकम्स हॉलो एंड ब्लीक, सिग्निफाइंग नथिंग। मतलब आपकी ज़िंदगी नाकाम है, बिल्कुल फजूल है। लाइफ बिकम्स अ ब्रोकन विंग्ड बर्ड दैट इज़ नॉट एबल टू फ्लाई हाई इन द एयर, रादर इट फॉल्स टू द ग्राउंड एंड रिमेन्स अनएबल टू लीड अ नॉर्मल लाइफ। जब हम ख्वाब नहीं देखते तो हमारी ज़िंदगी का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है, और जब हम ख्वाब देखते हैं और उन्हें पूरा करने की कोशिश नहीं करते तो फिर हमारा हाल एक पर कटे परिंदे जैसा हो जाता है कि हमारे हाथ में कुछ है ही नहीं, कुछ पॉसिबल रहता ही नहीं है। अब सेकंड स्टैंजा क्या कहता है? इन द सेकंड स्टैंजा द पोएट अगेन सेज दैट स्टिक फास्ट, होल्ड ऑन फास्ट टू योर ड्रीम्स एंड एम्बिशंस इन लाइफ एज दे आर एसेंशियल इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर अ सक्सेसफुल लाइफ। कामयाब ज़िंदगी गुजारने के लिए अपने ख्वाबों को मजबूती से पकड़ रखें, एक रास्ते पर चलें। कामयाबी की सीढ़ी बेशक मुश्किल है, एक एक स्टेप लें, एक लीप नहीं, छोटे छोटे कदम बेशक कामयाबी की तरफ हों, लेकिन रास्ता चुन लें। लाइफ विदाउट ड्रीम्स इज़ जस्ट लाइक अ बैरन फील्ड प्रोड्यूसिंग नथिंग एक्सेप्ट थॉर्नी बुशेस। ज़िंदगी जिसमें आप उम्मीद ना रखें, ख्वाब ना देखें, कामयाबी के रास्ते पे ना गामज़न हो, वो बिल्कुल उस तरह से है जैसे एक बंजर ज़मीन होती है। अब लेट्स समराइज इट अगेन। दिस poem that has been written by Langston Hughes, he says that stick firmly to your dreams, because if dreams die, life becomes a broken winged bird that cannot fly in the air. Stick fast to your ambitions in life, because if there are no hopes, ambitions and dreams in life, life becomes like a barren field, too poor to produce any vegetation. It means that life becomes hollow and bleak. ज़िंदगी का अगर कोई मकसद नहीं है तो जीने का फ़ायदा ही कोई नहीं है। Now, in order to impress upon his readers, Langston Hughes is repeating his whatever he's trying to give us as a lesson. He says the importance of dreams and goals is very, very high, because if we do not dream and we do not have an aim in life, then we are like a bird without wings. Birds fly high in the air. They are always hopeful. They are always working hard. So if we do not want to achieve our dreams in life, we have a baseless life. Our life has no motive. Now, the poet has beautifully employed the device of imagery. He uses words like broken winged bird and barren field, frozen with snow, to make images in the mind of the readers. Figurative language Langston ने बहुत use किया to create a very cold and sad mood in the poem. However, the poet encourages the readers to hold fast to their desires and goals, because without them, life is dull and bleak. He's actually telling the readers that I'm telling you this harsh reality, that if you don't hold on to your dreams, your life is going to be barren. सख्ती से कह रहे हैं, लेकिन बात बहुत अच्छी समझा रहे हैं. The phrase hold on fast to your dreams means to stick to your ambition. Always go according to the plan that you have made. There may be hardships on the way, life may be difficult, but never give in. Your aim in life should be I can and I will. And try again, never to give up. Now, the theme of the poem is never giving up and trying to fulfill your dreams with full zeal, and your ambition should be top priority in your life. I hope you have understood this poem. Please like and subscribe our channel and do encourage us, and do give comments so that we know where we are going wrong and what type of videos you are expecting from us. Thank you.